In this guide, we're going over the easiest ways to reset your GREE air conditioner or remote control. If your AC isn't responding, acting strangely, or simply not cooling the way it should, performing a reset is one of the fastest ways to get everything working again. These methods work for common GREE indoor units, basic models, and most remote controls, so you can troubleshoot quickly without calling for service. Starting with a standard GREE AC unit, find the small reset hole located on the control panel. It's usually easy to miss, so look closely around the buttons. Use something thin like a toothpick or a paperclip and gently press into the hole. Hold it for a few seconds until you hear a set of beeps. Those beeps usually confirm the reset is complete and the system is ready to start fresh. For Dream, U-Match, or mini split style units, turn the system off completely before doing anything else. Press and hold the power button on the indoor unit for around 7 to 10 seconds. After that, unplug the AC from the wall or switch off the breaker if it's hardwired. Give it at least a full minute to discharge. Then plug it back in, turn it on, and check whether the controls respond normally again. This type of reset clears out minor glitches like frozen displays, odd temperature readings, or unresponsive buttons. Now let's fix the remote. Remove the batteries and wait until the screen goes blank. With the batteries still out, press and hold the power button for 5 to 10 seconds to drain leftover power from the internal circuits. Once that's done, reinsert the batteries. If your remote includes a dedicated reset button, press and hold it for 10 to 30 seconds. You'll usually find this button inside the battery compartment or sometimes on the side of the remote. When it resets, the display should refresh and the button should start responding normally again. If the unit still doesn't respond after performing both resets, double check the power source, make sure the filters aren't clogged, and confirm the remote is pointed directly at the indoor unit's infrared sensor. Sometimes even simple things like weak batteries or blocked sensors can make the AC seem unresponsive. After everything is reset and powered back up, your GREE AC should be ready to cool smoothly again.